Now, this is how we can change the default messaging app on the Android. So let me talk about it. And if you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so it depends on your phone slightly, but in my case, on my Samsung phone, I have pre-installed the Samsung Messages app, which is called Just Messages, and also the one from Google, which is similarly titled Just Messages. And usually when I start using one which I haven't used before, it asks me to switch, but the best way to set up the default one would be by going to the settings, tapping on apps right there, and at the top of the list, you should see the ability to choose default apps in various different kinds. So for example, I can see the default browser app and the default phone app and so on, and the SMS should also be one of them. So in my case, as I said, I only have two of them. Obviously, if you download more from the Play Store, you will have the ability to switch to even another one. But as you can see in my case, I can switch and choose another one right here, or choose the other, and that is basically going to be the done deal, right? So that's how you can just start using it. So that's basically how you're going to do this. I really hope that I was able to help you out with that. Obviously, if there are more thoughts or questions about this, let me know below, but I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.